guys, it is August 4th and we are here in the Beartooth Mountains. Over the next 2 days we're going to be attempting to summit Froze to Death Peak. Today we'll be hiking to Mystic Lake, then up to Froze to Death Plateau via the famous Switchbacks from Hell. This hike will be about 22 miles with 6,500 feet of elevation gain. All right, we've made it to Mystic Lake. It only took us about an hour and a half. It's about 3.5 miles, so not too bad. So now we're gonna eat some lunch and get ready for the real challenge, which is going up the Switchbacks from Hell. So that's a pretty rosy sounding name. So we just turned off onto Phantom Creek Trail, which leads to the Switchbacks from Hell. And Jenny already has a quitting attitude. Playing with the Switchbacks. Well, we are just about to get up on the plateau, but we have a bunch of thunderclouds rolling in. It is 6:30, so Jenny and I have decided to kind of set up our tent, hunker down. We're definitely not as far as we wanted to, but oh well. Good morning, you guys. It is 5:30 a.m. on August 5th. We just rolled out of bed and we are now ready to hit it hard. I don't know how far we're going to make it because the storm's been super unpredictable through the night. It said it wasn't supposed to be any storms. So we're either going to maybe just summit Tempest Peak or Froze to Death Peak. Granite Peak seems a little bit out of our reach today, but no, if we're moving pretty quickly, we might get to Granite Peak also. Froze to Death Peak, which is temporary. So we officially made it to the summit of